Lesson 12.3 is finding unknown leg lengths. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem that we learned in lesson 12.2 to find the lengths of unknown legs. You use the Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse of a right triangle when you knew the lengths of the legs, but you can also use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of a leg when you know the hypotenuse and the length of another leg. The formula is still the same. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So we're going to use the formula of the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the unknown leg. Alright, this side straight across from the right angle is always C. So I'm going to label this one A and this one B. It wouldn't have mattered if I'd labeled this one A and this one B. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to use the equation A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. A is 12, B is unknown, and C is 13. So I have 12 squared plus B squared is equal to 13 squared. Alright, 12 squared is 144, B squared is unknown, and 13 squared is 169. Now I need to solve this equation for B squared, so I'm going to subtract 144 from both sides. And when I do, I have B squared is equal to 25. Now I'm going to take the square root of both sides to get the value of B. B is equal to 5. So the length of this side is 5 meters. Alright, same thing. I'm going to use the equation A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Here's my right angle, so this straight across from the right angle is C. So I'm going to label this one A and B. A is 9 squared plus B squared. C is 15 is equal to 15 squared. Alright, 9 squared is 81 plus B squared is equal to 15 squared, which is 225. I'm going to solve for B, so I'm going to subtract 81 from both sides. So 225 minus 81 is going to be 144. Then I'm going to take the square root of both sides. B is equal to 12. So this side is 12 meters. Alright, last one. Same equation. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Straight across from the right angle is C. A, B. So A squared plus 15 squared is equal to C squared. So B is 15, C is 25. 15 squared is 225. 25 squared is 625. So when I solve for A and subtract, I get A squared is equal to 400. Take the square root of both sides, and A is equal to 20, so this side is 20 meters. Remember, you use the same formula, but this formula, the Pythagorean theorem, only applies to right triangles.